Rock and Roll Canada here. We're just going to take a little look at how we use WordPress with Rock and Roll Canada. Go into our Safari here and move our screen around a little bit like that. Looks like the internet's not working. Going to Rock and Roll Canada. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. rockandrollcanada.com is the website that I work on a daily basis. And if I wanted to I use WordPress. I highly recommend WordPress. There's a lot of tutorials out there on it. You can tell this page is being done with WordPress, actually a theme by Cyberchimps. That was free, which is kind of cool. And I'll go in to Rock and Roll Canada so I can do some editing. WP admin is how you get into the back end. You have to add your username and password. I use admin. It's kind of simple, not so hard to forget. And my password. And hit enter. Now I'll be logged in to the back end of your website, or they call it, WordPress calls it a dashboard. You got posts that you can use for blogs. Media is all about all your pictures and everything that you've uploaded into WordPress. And your library, that's your library, your pages. I go into my pages, and it'll have all the pages that I've created into WordPress. Rock and Roll Canada being the home page. I can edit that at any time I'd like. If you noticed on the main page there was one big video. That's the video that I've inserted into that page. In the visual view here, you don't see the video, but it is embedded. If you go into the text, and you can go into any YouTube video and embed the text into your website, you can see it's right there. This part right here, iframe source equals YouTube. That's the specific video. Everybody gets a unique video on YouTube, and the height and the width. And that's just basically copied from YouTube and embedded right into my text, so that when everybody visits my home page, Rock and Roll Canada, you just visit the site right there, you can see that video. Well, not that video, that's the slider. Different pictures. Another thing that WordPress will do for you. The pictures will just slide back and forth. But this video was embedded using WordPress. Great system. There's the text and some other of the theme features. I think this was called iFeature by Cyberchimps. The theme that I decided to use. There's many themes in WordPress. Some are free and some are not. You just have to decide what's best for you. So that's just a little tutorial behind the scenes on Rock and Roll Canada and how we do our website with WordPress. And if you got any questions, just give me a call. I'm on Facebook, Glenn Smith, or Rock and Roll Canada. Facebook, Rock and Roll Canada, or you can also get me on Twitter. It'll be at Glenn Smith Mail. And here's our Twitter page here. Lots of pizza and some random looking, I think that's a joint, hence the marijuana leaf. And that's our Twitter page, so it's pretty easy to find me. If you've got any questions, please give me a call. Oh yeah, and our YouTube page too, where we post all our videos. Like this video right now is going into videos I call Tech Talk. There's all kinds of videos in here where you'll find the last video I did too, which is a really cool video. If you can check it out. It's called Blind Melon No Rain by Weed. That's the band. We're in Weedville, Weed Rock right now. And hey, YouTube, we can just skip you. It's a cool thing about it. This was Rock and Roll Canada back in Weed Rock on Saturday night. So a little bit about us. Long video. I'm going to cut it short here. Have a good one, guys, and we'll just stop recording.